So this is Pamuk. 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 They are 3 weeks old, and I want to teach them how to go to the to the toilet. I don't know if they're gonna learn. Of course, their mother cleans them. Like, look at this one. These two, they look similar to their mom. Their mom is here resting. So these two, they look similar like their mother. These two. Come here. Come here. You can see. They just look so cute. Look at this one. Even this one. So this one is the one that's gonna remain here. You're gonna fall down. Don't go anywhere. Pamuk, Pamuk, Pamuk. Look at this. She's so cute. So I want to go and test if they can notice anything when I go to take them to the litter room. Their mother normally goes by herself. She feeds herself. But for these ones, they are still young, but they need to learn because they're gonna go. Let's go. Let's go. The bathroom. This is where the mother normally comes to do her stuff. So I wanted to see how they're gonna react if I take inside. If they're gonna smell the sand, they need to. I hope they won't eat. I hope they won't eat the sand. I don't know if they are eating the sand or something. Let's see. They're smelling. They are smelling. You can see they are smelling. They are not eating. They are eating. They want to eat the sand. This is not food. No, they are not eating. They're only smelling. And I hope their instinct gonna tell them that this is for peeing. Yeah, they're not eating. They already know this is sand for pee and poop and stuff. Good girls and boys. I don't know which one is girl or boy. You're doing an amazing job. Good girl. You see, they already know this is sand. Oh, they didn't eat the sand. They smelled it, and I think they noticed something. Tap 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 tap. Pamuk, Pamuk. Tap 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 to your leg. Remove any extra sand. Also you. Tap 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 tap. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the food. I'm gonna take them to see if they can notice something. Them to the food to see if they're gonna notice. Their mother was coming. So we're gonna take them to the kids' room where the food is. I think the water is over. Wait, I put water here. Wait, their mother came. Zilly, come back. She ran away. So these are the kittens. I want to test if they can. Let's see if they can know the food. I think I should give them but I want just to test if they have some too. So let's see. Bekle anneciğim bekle. They are eating. Come this way. Let's see. I don't know how they can. You guys, can you see what they are doing? They want to eat. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? They're eating. See. They're eating. Oh my goodness, they're eating. Can you see? They have tooth inside. You See, they are eating something. Come, see, come in. Let's put here. Come. Let's see if you can see. Can you see your food? Pamuk doesn't want to eat. And you come and see. Did you come this side? See, they want to eat. Mother took the white one.
Clear.
If they can drink water. Let's see. Can I drink water? This is water. Let's see. I think they don't know. What is this? The other one is here.
It's here. Oh.
Can you go drink water? It's coming for the other one. Where did you put the other babies? Joe. Where's the other baby? So Zili decided to leave one baby here. Good girls. Girls and boys, don't fight. See, they start fighting. Your mommy is here. You want your mommy? Your mommy is here.